Want to know how to improve prompting in Kimi 2.5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily improve the Kimi's prompt results and prompting. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply type in kimi.com on your web browser and you should be provided with Kimi's chat right here. So you can just simply change your model by selecting right here and make sure you select instant or thinking according to it. So if you want complex prompt answers, you can just simply select thinking. So for a better complexity, so you can just simply type in your goal first. So what do you want? You can type in your goal and then what are you dealing with? Your constraints, your problems, and the solution you're designing. So if you write any four of these, it should give you a proper prompt result. You don't need to just type random slangs and some random stuff that Kimi can't understand. Make sure you are thorough with it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.